In today's video, we're going to break down one of the projects we did way back in 2020. So let's get started. All right, so as I'm looking at the before picture here, the project itself, it was a porch that had a screen system already in there with integrated railings. So the railings were standard 36 inches tall, and then you had these big openings up above. And when I was talking to the homeowner, she really didn't want to replace the whole system. She wanted to add something onto the existing system that would help her utilize the porch more often, to keep the pollen off, to keep the bugs off, and to have a place for her cat on the porch as well. All right, so now we're looking at the after from the inside the porch. Because we were reusing the frame that was already there, we matched the door to be that standard height and width door, and we ended up with this big transom above the door. And then you can see the windows to the left of the door that we added. Before, it was just one big screen in each opening. We added a window in each one. And for the railing on the outside, we added a fixed vinyl that protects from the pollen, rain, everything else. But from inside, the railing remained where it was. So it looks great. One thing that was a little bit unique to this project is that we added a tint on the first topmost sash or vent. That way that could be used almost like a visor or like sunglasses basically. But with these windows, you can move it anywhere you want. You can reposition it to the bottom, middle, but typically once you put it into a certain place, you keep it in that place. So if you have a nice screen system already in place and you want to reuse that frame, there are some benefits and some drawbacks in doing so. The obvious benefit is it's going to cost less to just install the windows in the existing frame. But the drawbacks will be more on the aesthetics and in some cases may even be on the functional side of the solution. So the challenge that we run into with these kind of projects is that the sides usually that come out, they will have a concrete that will slant and pitch away from the house. And when screen systems are put in, whatever the railing is, it will go alongside that pitch as well. So the top of the railing will be 36 inches high, but 36 inches high at the wall, the house wall side, and 36 inches at the post or the outmost part is going to create that pitch as well. So when you're putting the window in, and the window has to be straight, you will have like a gap going from like 0 to whatever that gap will be. And that gap can be covered up, so there's no gap to the outside. There's no like air or weather or pollen coming through it, but there will be a visible gap on the inside that will just be unsightly. The other challenge with that is when you put one window closest to the house and another one next to it, it will have almost like a step kind of visual to it. So one window will be higher, the one closest to the house, and the window that's further away, closest to the post or the yard, will be lower. So if this is the window there, the next one is going to be lower like that. So you'll have like that stair pattern to it. That's, again, functionally it's okay, but aesthetically it doesn't look as great. So those are some of the things you want to watch out for when you're trying to reuse the frame that's already there. If you don't like that and you want really nice aesthetics with the windows, then you'd want to reuse the frame that comes along with the windows, because there are special spacers and everything can be repositioned to be perfectly straight, and fillers could be used on the ground level to account for that slope. So another challenge with reusing the existing frame is, depending on the type of railing that's in there, there may or may not be enough room to put a fixed vinyl on the outside. A lot of railings you have the room, but some of them you may not have the room. In that case, then a different solution has to be put in place. So as I'm looking at the clips that we just got 6 years later, basically, it just reminds me of all the different jobs we already did in this neighborhood. And it shows the longevity of these products. The homeowner has been using this porch 6 years now, because we did the project in 2020, and hasn't had any issues with them. There's some challenge with the vinyl. She has a cat, so it did scratch it a little bit. That needs to be replaced. But other than that, she's been enjoying the porch and keeping the pollen, keeping the rain out. So that's really good to see and hear. So I'm looking at this clip, and you can see we added that fixed vinyl right over the railing. So we had just enough room to install that in there. So just to reiterate, for this homeowner, she really wanted to reutilize the screen system that she already had, because she just bought the house, spent a lot of money on the house itself, and she didn't want to invest into a wall system that would be a lot more expensive than just adding the windows and the fixed lights at the bottom. So she opted out to save a little bit and still have a porch that she can utilize basically all year round. You can see in this clip, the homeowner has a little table with some chairs, so she enjoys some time with her family and friends there. And you can see through the windows, the backyard, all the greenery. It's really enjoyable view from this porch. And here you can see how she's got all these items for her cat to hang out and watch the outside birds and everything else. If you're looking for a porch enclosure such as this one, or you're looking for a different type of product or solution to enclose your porch with, either way, give us a call, contact us. We'll be able to get you an estimate, provide the solution that will work great for you, and then go ahead and install that solution for you.